Happy Galentine's, everybody. I want to wish all my VIPs the most amazing, extraordinary Valentine's. I'm having a great Galentine's with the two most beautiful VIP queens right here. We have Yeli and we have Lula, and I think we're ready for the show. Love you guys. Watch. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Hi, Chelsea. Hi, Kim. What about this for healthy? Wow. Hello, Brooke. Happy Bella's here. We're having a Galentine's. Great time here. A little bit of this dry ice. Aloha vibes. Hi, Tammy. You look beautiful. Tammy, we love you. We're so proud of you. Look at this. How wonderful is that? Lots of water. Lots of lime water. We're having a beautiful... I just want to start eating out of pineapples all the time. What do you have there, Yeli? Gorgeous. You look fabulous tonight, by the way. Yes, gorgeous. What is this, a tuna tartare?
It's a tuna tartare.
And what are those green things? No carbs. What are those green things?
Those are seaweed.
No way. Like a seaweed cracker almost? Let me see. I'm going to try one. Ooh. Hi there, everybody. Hi, Kat. Hi, Brooke. Look who's here. Yeli and Lula. We want to say happy Valentine's.
Yay.
You know, because Valentine's is not only for couples, it's for friends. And we're taking... Okay, by the way, my back hurts. Why?
Because we've got so much back going on.
I just want to say thank you to God for the opportunity to celebrate life with beautiful people who are gorgeous inside and out. I made it a point to surround myself with women that are beautiful like flowers. You know what I mean? Flowers. So happy Galentine's, guys. Happy Galentine's. Happy Galentine's to all of our VIPs out there. Happy Galentine's. Another one. Take this one. And we love you.
Oh, yes.
Come on, anytime. We love you. Kat, you should see these Bahama Mamas over here. We're really representing. Thank you for all the hearts. And I want to say this before we sign off. This is for you. You guys are queens. And a happy Valentine's. And we love you, okay? VIP Power on. Come tomorrow for our deep detox, sexy sculpted stretch. Are you on? Hi there. Yes. And we're so happy to be here. In closing, what I was saying about the muscle trophy. The hypertrophy today.
Yes.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
I feel ripped.
Feel the muscle where Ellie goes. Feel my muscle. Feel my muscle. Feel it. You're strong. You're stronger than you know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for our deep detox and cleanse. Lots of lemon water, detoxing, and the skinny jean challenge. We've already raised over $200, and I think we're gonna do
today.
Okay, good. And we're gonna do St. Jude's for the children fighting cancer. Yeah, St. Jude's.
Yeah.
Great idea from Riva. We love your feedback on that. We love you. Stay blessed. VIP Power on, and thank you God for all of our blessings. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Woo! We love you. We love you. The party.